Hi, I'm Kevin with Royal Breeze, the same day service heating and air conditioning company. We offer a $39 same day service tune up special, and we understand when the customer sits at home and their heating and air conditioning system doesn't work properly. We can be there fast, and we're a reliable, honest company that can come out and give you a good quote. Got a call, gotta go. Thanks. Same day service.